Hi, this is Anthony and welcome back to my show. As always, before I begin, please click the subscribe button below. It really helps me out and it doesn't cost you anything. Thanks so much. Let's keep today's video short. I'm going to talk about an intriguing penny stock that I own. Actually, it wasn't a penny stock when I originally bought it, but like many in this current bear market, it's been really beaten down in price. And that's a good thing to point out. Some stocks are down because they're terrible companies and deserve to go bankrupt, and others are down in sympathy with the rest of the market based on fundamentals, as well as what's going on in the rest of the world. There's a lot of bad things going on. Obviously, a war in Ukraine, which has in part contributed to higher oil, gas, and food prices, interest rates going up, a likely recession ahead of us, big name companies slowing down, hiring, or even laying off employees, and now the stock market has dipped into bear territory. Obviously, there's a lot of negatives that we can see right now, as well as on the short to medium term horizon, but eventually things will get better. So today's current market conditions provide an opportunity to get into well-diversified, broad-based mutual funds, as well as individual company stocks if you do your research and select ones with viable business plans and some type of revenues coming through the pipes. Today's focus is Matterport, stock symbol MTTR. This company makes cameras and software for real estate agents to use in displaying properties for rent or sale, among other uses. I've heard from agents that I know that these products are well respected, and many people believe that as we move into the metaverse world, that this company will benefit from helping to create visually that 3D world. It does look from their most recent filings in the last quarter that they had diluted earnings of 23 cents per share. So that's good. But from the Zacks Equity Research article published a few days ago, it looks like it's expected for the current quarter that they will have a loss of 14 cents per share. Link to that in the show notes, so obviously read all that you can before making any decisions. Another downside is Apple appears to be getting into the business as a competitor. Obviously, being one of the largest, best-funded companies in the world, they would be a formidable competitor. But within the industry, Matterport is a well-known name and company with well-respected products that may have the advantage over Apple, at least in the short to medium terms. And since Apple is getting into the space, that may cause a competitor to seek to acquire Matterport. A company like Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook or Google, might be a good fit as the suitor. Obviously, if they bought out, the price would go up at least a little bit, but for people like myself that got in at higher valuations, the takeover price may well be below the entry point that I got in at the stock. At around $3.60 a share, this may be a long-term buy for a well-diversified portfolio. It's a real company with real products. It's not a barely ongoing concern dealing with cryptocurrencies. I'm still holding on to my shares, which I have at a much higher price, and I may buy more shares in the future. This is an intriguing stock, but always do your own research before you invest in anything, especially in speculative stocks like this one. So those are my thoughts. What are yours? I'd love to hear from you. Please leave your comments in the comments section below, whether it's just sharing with my viewers which if you own and how many shares, and what you have as a cost basis. Do you think it's worth shorting? Have you sold any in the past and made money? Hopefully by now you've subscribed to this channel and liked the video. I would love it if you looked at my other videos. Hopefully click the like button on those and leave a comment, even a short one. All those things really help me out in building a following. A few more thoughts about investing as we wind down, and then there will be something interesting concerning eBay at the end of this video, so be sure to watch till the end. As I always mention, this is not investment advice. I'm not an investment advisor. I'm just some guy on the internet that you don't know making YouTube videos that hopefully provide some entertainment. But I try to create entertainment that gives you a starting point where you can do your own research and potentially find stocks that you might have some place in your well-diversified long-range portfolio. Since this channel is not yet monetized, if you want to help me out, I sell small collectibles on eBay. Things like old stock and bond certificates, coins and banknotes, stamps and postal items and books, along with other things such as Masonic items. You can find my items on eBay with my username stock_tycoon. If you're interested in buying silver coins as collectibles or investments, I usually have some listed. If you're interested in investing in gold or silver as a commodity, I have a few YouTube videos that explain how you can easily do that, plus some of the pitfalls in doing so. I'm on Instagram at AnthonyRR Mills. You can follow me there. Thanks for watching and good luck in investing.